Hello guys, welcome to my mukbang. And today I'll be doing. It's been quite long, so I haven't uploaded any vlog or any mukbang videos. So today I'll be doing this. Today I have brinjal dasi, a spicy one, and also an omelette and rice, as you can see. And with that, I have a merenda also to drink. So let's start first by drinking. Okay, so we'll start having our meal. It's so yummy. Spicy. I've added that very spicy chili called deli in that curry, so it's quite spicy. Not quite, it's very spicy.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my mukbang, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more update. I'll keep updating you guys every time I upload a vlog, so please subscribe and hit that bell icon. Bye bye.